Welcome back to Scott Automobile. The 2026 Honda CR-V remains a top choice among compact SUVs, offering reliability, comfort, and value. For 2026, it gains upgraded tech with a 9-inch touchscreen, a new 10.2-inch digital display on XL trims, and standard wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and charging. A 1.5L turbo engine delivers 190 horsepower with front or all-wheel drive, ensuring smooth, quiet performance. The refined interior includes honeycomb trim, spacious seats, and 39 cu. Ford of cargo space. While not as sporty as rivals, it prioritizes comfort and practicality. Fuel economy stays impressive, and all-wheel drive versions now offer improved traction. Starting around $32,000, the XL trim, with leather seats and a power tailgate, remains the most balanced and appealing choice in its class. Welcome back to Scott Automobile. The 2026 Honda Civic debuts with a bold new design that redefines modern compact cars. Honda has blended sleek aerodynamics with a sharper front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted rear end, giving the Civic a sportier yet refined appearance. Inside, the cabin feels more premium than ever, featuring a minimalist dashboard, digital display, and improved materials for a high-tech, comfortable vibe. Under the hood, Honda offers efficient hybrid and turbo options that deliver power without sacrificing fuel economy. Safety and connectivity features have also been enhanced, making this Civic smarter on every drive. The 2026 Civic isn't just a refresh, it's a confident statement of style, performance, and innovation for a new generation.